I'm standing outside the Martin R&D headquarters in Aarhus, Denmark. My name is Peter Skytte. I'm leading the global product management for Martin. And as usual, we have something super exciting that we are working on. So why don't we go inside and have a look at that?
And here it is, the new Mac Aura Raven XIP. First and foremost, now at last a warm welcome inside the R&D headquarters in Aarhus, Denmark. My name is Asger Andersen. I'm globally responsible for the Martin Lighting R&D organization across the globe. Whenever my engineering team is finalizing a new product development project like the Raven, the result never fails to amaze me. And for sure, the Raven is no exception. In the R&D organization, doing a product development like the Raven is basically a very close collaboration between all our in-house engineering functions. In the R&D team, we have mechanical engineering, electrical, firmware, software, test and validation, systems engineering, compliance engineering. All of the functions are basically engaged in doing such a development project, and that enables us to basically cover all the different aspects in-house of a system design like the Raven. Furthermore, in the R&D organization, we're not only responsible for the new product development, like a Raven product, bringing that to market, we are also responsible for all the research, the technology development, the platform development, feeding into such a project. That basically means not only through the actual product development, but several years in advance, we plan and we execute the technology development, validation, deployment of new technologies. In that way, we are completely in control of the risk associated with developing new technologies, which basically is for the benefit of the customers and, of course, the product. For the Raven, the team has focused specifically on new technology development to enable the XIP technology for the first time to basically go into this size of a Mac Aura fixture. Furthermore, the team has focused on developing a completely new zoom system. And thirdly, the team has put a humongous amount of effort into developing a completely new optical system. The result speaks for itself. We truly believe this is going to be the new benchmark in its class. The XIP technology enabling the product to deliver a best-in-class size versus output ratio. It also enables the product to be the best-in-class weight to output ratio, still remembering this is an outdoor rated product. The new zoom system enables a super fast yet dead silent zoom system, which is not seen in the market at this point in time. And furthermore, the new optical solution is just delivering absolutely fantastic optical performance. We are super excited and super proud of the new Raven. And I really encourage you and hope you will enjoy this new product. And Wouter will take you through all the details. Please enjoy. Thanks.
So this is the Mac Aura Raven XIP, our latest addition to the Martin Mac Aura family. Just like the smaller products in that family, the Mac Aura Raven XIP is first and foremost a wash light. The RGB-L engine creates an impressive output and a really clean wash with a nice soft edge and close to zero stray light. There's even a beam shaping accessory module for applications requiring precise wash control. The Mac Aura Raven is fitted with Martin's XIP technology, making it suitable for any weather condition, without minimal impact on size, weight and noise levels. So it performs equally well in demanding indoor applications such as theater and broadcast, while being robust enough for the most brutal weather conditions. To enhance creativity, we have fitted this fixture with our latest Aura backlight effect, creating stunning and elegant looks. Let's take a closer look. You'll notice that the Mac Aura Raven XIP is the highest output member of the Mac Aura family. Its RGB-L engine creates a beautiful wash with an impressive color rendering, as seen in its CRI, TM30 and TLCI metrics. The zoom takes it from a narrow high-intensity beam to a wide wash, while the clean lens design results in close to zero stray light and minimal glare. The edge of the wash field has a nice soft fall-off and no color artifacts. For an even softer edge, the fixture comes with a soft lens accessory included, which can easily be mounted onto the fixture. The mounting points also facilitate installation of a beam shaping module, which creates an oval-shaped wash which can be indexed from the console. Every Mac Aura Raven XIP is individually calibrated in our factory for optimal consistency and accurate reproduction of any color temperature desired. Its dedicated tint or plus-minus green channel allows you to easily correct white balance, while the fully adjustable LED frequency control allows you to compensate for camera settings when needed. The unit features Martin's well-known yoke handles for easier handling. And on the bottom, you'll find our familiar Omega bracket attachment pattern. Our high-performance motion technology, featuring a unique combination of hardware and advanced motor control algorithms, enables both fast and smooth pan and tilt movements, while the newly designed zoom mechanics create a whisper-quiet performance and the ability to snap from wide to narrow in a split second. On the base, you'll find connectors for power, DMX and Ethernet, supporting ArtNet, streaming ACN and the Martin P3 protocol. The Ethernet ports are, just like with any other Martin product, fitted with our fail-safe bypass technology, making sure the data is passed through to other fixtures down the line, even when this one is powered down. The display is fitted with an NFC interface for easy fixture configuration, diagnostics, and data readout using the Martin Companion mobile app. You'll also find the familiar Universal Connect module slot, enabling the fixture to be upgraded with wireless technology when needed. The dark lens features our latest Aura backlight effect with 234 individually controllable LEDs. Whether you're looking for a soft lens glow, elegant sparkles, or full video playback, this fixture can do it all. And it does it with a higher contrast than ever before. Of course, these 234 Aura LEDs and the 37 main LEDs can be controlled individually through DMX channels, internal FX macros, or be video mapped via the Martin P3 controller. When using the internal FX macros, you get to choose between more than 200 patterns, with each of them having adjustable foreground color, background color, direction and speed. When using the Mac Aura Raven XIP on the Martin P3 controller, you get P3 mix channel for the beam and for the Aura, allowing you to choose what part of the fixture is controlled by the MX and what part is being video mapped through the P3. The Mac Aura Raven features Martin's proven XIP technology, as seen on the Mac Viper XIP and the Mac Aura XIP. This enables the fixture to be used in any weather condition while remaining compact, lightweight, silent and efficient, making sure the fixture performs equally well outdoors and indoors. This was achieved via a wide range of innovative solutions developed here at Martin and tested to the extremes. The fixture was exposed to water, ice, snow, sand and a lot more as part of a rigorous testing schedule. This was the ultimate goal of the XIP smart outdoor rating solution, creating a fixture that is extremely robust for outdoor use, but still has the size, weight, noise levels of an indoor fixture. The sealed design and Martin build quality ensure less need for cleaning and maintenance. But when you need to open the fixture, you'll notice there's no special tools or special procedures required to close the fixture when done. So there you have it, the Martin Mac-Ara Raven XIP. Let's now sit down and talk about how this product came to life. Yeah, so why a new, bigger Ara in the family? So the Mac-Ara family has quite a few different fixtures, the most recent ones being the Mac-Ara XIP and the Mac-Ara PXL. But within the family, there wasn't really the big unit out there, so the one for the biggest stages, so a unit positioned higher than the Mac-Ara PXL. So this is where the Mac-Ara Raven XIP comes into play to kind of complete the family, so that we have the small unit with the Mac-Ara XIP, the medium-sized unit with the Mac-Ara PXL, and then the large size, which is with the Mac-Ara Raven XIP, kind of offering a Mac-Ara in every possible size for every possible application. Why did we go with an RGB-L engine in the Raven? So all previous products in the Mac-Ara family, they were all using an RGB-W, so red, green, blue, white LED chip, which works great. But with the latest new developments in terms of Lime LED engines, it really gives a boost in terms of brightness and in terms of color rendering, so how decor and costumes look to the human eye and definitely to camera. So that's why with this fixture we switched to a red, green, blue Lime engine, giving a much better spectrum, a higher output, kind of a win-win situation. So it makes a lot of sense for this fixture to use that new technology. So why is this product using Martin's XIP technology and not the more traditionally well-known IP65 rating? We actually did look at making this product IP65, so we actually started designing on that, but it quickly became a lot bigger, like almost like 50, 60 millimeter taller, a lot heavier, the noise levels were going up, so we kind of came into this like outdoor monster type of machine, like really big, really heavy, great for outdoor but horrible for indoor use. So that's when we went back to use the Martin XIP technology, because it really gives the best of both worlds. It worked great for outdoor, but at the same time for indoor you still have the size, the weight and the noise levels of an indoor fixture. So it was really became the best of both worlds instead of the IP65 route, which would have made a big ugly monster, to be honest. So why a new zoom system on the Raven? So all previous Ara products, all the way back to the original Mac-Ara in 2011, they're all using the same warm drive spiral type of zoom drive system, which of course served us really well for many years and generations of products. But with this new product we really want to change the game and bring something new to the table. So that's when we came with this belt driven zoom system, which allows in certain applications when you want it to be quiet, you can move the zoom really precisely without any noticeable noise. So for theater, broadcast use, dead silent, very accurate. But the zoom system also allows very fast zoom bumps from wide to narrow in split seconds, if you're like on fast-paced music, for example. So you really have a system that's both quiet, precise and fast. So that's a really big step forward for the Mac-Ara in terms of zoom performance. So why did we go for this style of Ara backlight effect in the Raven fixture? So first of all, the large lens of this fixture really lends itself well to become a video surface. So we started with the backlight effect that we had in the Mac-Ara PXL, of course scaled it up to the size of the lens of the Raven. And then we started refining this. So the first thing we did is increase the contrast by adding a diffusion layer around the backlight LEDs, so that staring into the lens you get a much darker appearance, making the backlight LEDs pop a lot more. So that really elevated the appearance of the Aura backlight effect. And then we started improving the color mixing on the LEDs to get a more uniform color mixing on the LED surface. And then we also repositioned the LEDs to have a more even spread to really get this nice dark surface with equally spread LEDs, which is great for video playback, of course, but you can also do solid colors or sparkly patterns or effects macros. So yeah, that's how we came to the Aura backlight effect in the Raven. So why do we have a universal connect module slot in the base of the Raven fixture? It's kind of the same philosophy as we applied when we did the Mac Viper XIP. Is some customers want wireless connectivity on their products, but there's different systems on the market, there's different generations of systems, and we don't want to force a single system and force a system to be used. So that's why with the Universal Connect module slot in the fixture, customers can add wireless connectivity when they need it on the fixtures that need it, but not on all the rest. And then they can freely choose between different systems. And if newer technologies become available, they can simply change out the module rather than having to invest in a complete new fixture. So given the long lifetime on Martin products, it really helps that the wireless is just via an upgrade slot, so that you can upgrade when needed and you're not stuck with a certain system for the life of the product. So what's the point of the NFC interface integrated to the display of the Raven? So NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It allows a device such as a smartphone to communicate with the fixture just by holding it against the fixture. It really helps a lot with our Martin Companion mobile app in terms of fixture setup and fixture configuration and fixture diagnostics. Some examples are like, just in your phone, type in DMX address, DMX mode, dimmer curve, any setting you want, and you just tap the fixture for 2 seconds and all those settings are updated. So a lot faster than going in the display menu and entering all of that manually. And if you do a full trust of fixtures, just tap every fixture for 2 seconds and they're all configured and addressed correctly. Also, when fixtures come back in the warehouse, just open the flight case, hold your phone against each fixture for 2 seconds. All data is collected. You see any errors, warnings that are pending in the fixtures a lot quicker than taking them out and manually diagnosing them. So with Companion Mobile and the NFC interface in our newer fixtures really improves the workflow, speed and efficiency a lot for many different uses. So for what type of applications did we design the Mac Aura Raven? Well, it's not designed for one particular application. We know our customers use our products in all kinds of environments. So what we do is we listen to the demands of theater, broadcast, corporate events, concerts, touring, and a lot of other applications, and combine all those needs into one product that really then covers all of those uses. So this is also a great example of where our XIP technology comes into play, making a product that works really well on those demanding indoor environments like a theater or broadcast environment, but also at the same time works great on concerts and touring that might be outdoor. So that's part of our entire philosophy, to make a product that covers as many applications as possible, and that's something we always strive to at Martin. Thank you for taking the time to explore the new Martin Mac Aura Raven XIP together with us. We hope you are just as excited about this new product as all of us are at Martin. If you want more information about this product, reach out to your local Martin contact or find all information on our website.